afternoon and welcome to Tuesday here at Cleveland, Hopkins International. Delta 2970 inbound from Atlanta. Not gonna be the best thing over there. I love to shoot through the tree, but they've only plowed part of the parking lot. Oops. Show that to you here in a second. Still doing work over there in the runway. You can see the snow plows. The one for you business jet lovers. Other than the fact the sun's in my eyes, it's not too bad out here today. Nothing like it was the other day when we had the snow. Borrow that for my driveway. Look at that.
Sierra, turn left, Tesbury, November, cross runway 24 left, then ground point 7, give way to Delta, Lima.
Citation headed to your left, young lady. Were you planning on landing at Lake County? Just west, somebody down here,
United 2319 inbound from Newark.
Just give me a minute, I'll get right back to you. It's the 2045 Zulu observation. Wind is 2905, visibility 10 miles, 2,800 scattered. The temperature is -6, dew point -13. The county altimeter is 3016.
Envoy inbound from Chicago O'Hare. It's the American Eagle Heritage Livery.
Watch your action.
Still a lot of snow over here today, so it's hard to really get a good spot.
American 2021, contact Cleveland 7134.9. Good.
Wind chill's about -15 right now. A lot of schools are closed actually due to the wind chill today. Hey, look at this! It's our feather friend, big hawks. There's the American Eagle Heritage Livery. The bird of prey in front of it. Alright, we came up here to the parking garage to try to get some departures. I looked at flight radar and we still have some special liveries, more special liveries coming in today, so stay tuned. Wow, the weather's a little bit better this time for this one. Last time we came up here to catch this airplane, it was snowing like crazy, so we should get some decent shots of it today. I remember when this was very common paint scheme up here. So we've got a American 737 over here going out of the gate. So the American side is pretty busy right now. Envoy 4423 heading out on 24 right to Chicago O'Hare, ORD.
Southwest 268, Cleveland ground taxi ramp via Lima, Juliet 3, Juliet. Lima, Juliet 3, Juliet to the ramp, Southwest 68.
Currently only using the one side this morning. 24 left is closed.
Jet 234, Cleveland approach, runway 24 right, delete speed restrictions.
Definitely gonna do some in-car plane spotting today just because it's so cold. I'm talking about 4 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 below on the wind chill. So won't do too much outdoor plane spotting today other than when things are coming in and going out.
5506 is pushing for LaGuardia out of Bravo 4.
Southwest and down.
56, Cleveland ground, push back your discretion, I'll work on wheels up, time for it.
Thanks. Build the box, base is here, just basic. Roger, and you can call maintain 14,000, Envoy 4423, see you later. 14,000, Envoy 4423.
Hope y'all having a great week. We're going to be up here again most of the day today, and then probably on Saturday, depending on the weather. It's like the East Coast is going to get a good chunk of weather this weekend, so maybe we'll get some diversions on Saturday. Who knows? American 2331, 737-800 heading to Dallas-Fort Worth. At DFW.
I may have stepped on your procedure at Cook when it will.
So in a couple of weeks, my wife is going to the Bahamas for a work trip. So I got some airline miles I'm going to use that weekend to go somewhere myself. What airport would you like to see?
Taxi to Jason Pad 1.
Go 3971, taxi S-Pad via Juliet, Juliet 2.
Kicking around Orlando, Washington, Dulles, maybe Houston, maybe JFK. Not really sure. What airport would you like to see? Frontier 1046. Back from Orlando.
Pushing off of Bravo 6. So 5424, Cleveland ground hello, respect to discretion. Reserve discretion, 5420.
Full turn right, heading 150.
Turn left, contact ground point 7. Take those only. Eastside Washington, close to full left. Eastside Washington, close only to full left.
Delta 8321 heading to Atlanta. I catch the flight number. I was trying to listen to what they were saying.
Southwest 1117, level 190 descending via the rocket free arrival.
Southwest 1117, clear to approach, running 24 right, delete speed restrictions.
24 right, delete speed, Southwest 1117.
Have a good day.
Southwest pushing back. I think this is a special livery. I think this Southwest is a special livery. I think it's Heart 1. The original Heart livery paint scheme. When Southwest unveiled the new livery a couple years ago. Yes, it is. It is Heart 1. Check that out. Another special livery up here this morning. Heart 1.
Juliet 5, Lima, Sierra, cleared cross 24 left for 24 right, get the 5424.
Check that out.
5424, the opposite direction, Frontier, he'll be holding short of Sierra for you. Alright, Frontier gives way, and then 5424.
Two special liveries already this morning.
4 miles southeast of Lake County Executive Airport, leaving 3,400.
See how cold it is. I can see all the exhaust kicking up behind the engines.
2 Whiskey Foxtrot cleared to Delta Mike Whiskey Airport at 5, climb maintain 11000.
This was the airplane that Southwest unveiled the new livery back in, I think it was 2012 or 2014. I forget what year it was. They changed the paint schemes. So they did 2 737s that they unveiled at Dallas Love Airport. Heart 1 and Heart 2. So this is the first one.
275, you ready?
Check that out.
Ready.
Air Canada rolling out to the runway.
West 3971, contact departure. Have a good
We're
one.
going to be heading to the frozen tundra of Toronto here in the next few minutes. Meanwhile, over in 24 right, Southwest 1811.
1,400, copy.
Heart 1 heading to Baltimore, Washington, BWI.
Radar contact. Climb maintain 14000. Climb maintain 14000. Sky 3971. Endeavor 54, 24, turn right, heading 330, back to your climb. Climb maintain 14000.
Sounds like we're in the process of reopening 24 left.
Southwest 1117, climb maintain 4000.
677, going down, runway 24 left, taxi the Juliet 6, Minnesota. 24 left, Juliet 6, Juliet 6, Lima 7, 677.
United Airlines 1640. Now from Orlando.
New Circuit 3000, clear visual for joint 248.
Visual 248, Southwest.
November 485, Papa Charlie, climb and maintain 9,000. Number 5, Papa Charlie, proceed direct 2 Golf 2. Level
523, what's the time? 15. 15 for cab, 4523.
Air Canada 712 heading to Toronto. Took off here on 24 left.
Contact departure, have a good one.
Southwest 1117. And back from B&A, Nashville.
Just push Charlie 3 ready.
Here's our United 737-800 that just came in.
23 still ground, 24 left, taxi.
Just landed from Orlando, pulling up to the gate.
24 left, Juliet 6, Lima 7 for cab 4523. 4523, verify X-ray. We got Victor Logan X-ray for cab 4523.
Did see in an article where Cleveland Hopkins is trying to get an international, possibly a transatlantic flight in later on this year, but they're going to need some financial help from the state.
1576 Cleveland.
It is possible that they'll get that because I know Cincinnati got an international flight later this year. I feel like Columbus is going to get one too. They just announced that Intel is going to build a multi-billion-dollar chip factory in the Columbus area that will bring a lot of traffic, I think, into the airport down there. So looking forward to seeing that. Hopefully that'll continue to boost the area, but I did see Cleveland Hopkins is trying to get another international flight in later on this year. We did have Iceland and WOW Air before COVID, so maybe one of those might, well, maybe Iceland Air might come back. WOW, of course, went out of business during the pandemic, so we'll see, fingers crossed. So while we're sitting here, the indoor Ferris wheel at the IX Center announced yesterday they will be removing the indoor Ferris wheel later on this year. At one point, this is the largest Ferris wheel indoors in the world. I don't believe it is anymore, but it's definitely an icon here at the International Exposition or IX Center. They said the trade shows and everything will continue, so We'll see what happens there.
Now, no factors.
Spirit 967 heading to Fort Myers, RSW.
Well, this is Breaker 4523. There 606 Romeo Papa, proceed direct Moham.
8321. Back from the ramp.
Air Force 7 and just for the left side, you can verify the X-ray.
Other Southwest is lined up for the runway. They're saying they made a wrong turn thinking the runway was still closed. So I wonder if they'll just end up going out on 24 right or if they're going to make a turn around. We'll see. Southwest working quickly, getting these airplanes in and out as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Definitely work with more of a sense of urgency than
24 flighting
some of the other carriers do, for sure.
4,000.
Cold day up here today in Cleveland. We got about a foot of snow last weekend.
There you go.
More snow during the week. And it just got cold ever since then. The polar vortex moved in, and it has been below 20 degrees every day and getting below zero at night. So many local schools are closed today due to the wind chill. We got down to about -20 this morning. Delta 1576.
268.
Now from Atlanta.
268 and verify them when you have X-ray now. We'll get it.
$1676 on the ground, Bravo 2.
Southwest 1853 heading to Midway. Heavy this morning.
24, turn left, heading 330 when able, proceed direct Shirk. Frontier 24, descend and maintain 3,000.
Another Southwest. I didn't catch where this one's heading.
35, turn 10 degrees right, vector for traffic.
Not Frontier is going to go first.
35.
So I looked at Frontier, not Southwest.
Frontier 32, runway 24 left, take off.
Frontier 32 heading to Punta Cana down in the Caribbean.
$1576, cross runway 24 left on Sierra, ground point 7.
Sounds like heaven right now. Go find an island, a tropical island.
Sierra, ground point 7, dump 1576.
Enjoy the ocean. That sounds amazing right now.
Thank you, Southwest 268. 1427. Departure, good afternoon, or good morning, I guess. Southwest 268, 3000, climbing via the Zappa. Southwest 268, clear departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 14,000.
Frontier. Wilbur the Whitetail. See lots of those in my backyard. What I get for I was reading something and looked up and missed it.
1427 flighting 360. 3000 cleared out, 2 for
It was Frontier 2424. Just came in from Fort Myers, Florida.
1427 contact tower 124.
Just turned down a closed taxiway.
Outcome 3084 contact Cleveland approach
To
on
make a phone
128.
call when he pulls to his gate. Uh-oh. Probably not an easy airport to navigate right now with several taxiway closures. The runway closures over the summer. So, I don't blame him. A320neo.
Ground 24 left up here on ground. Up here 2424.
Right, it is special livery time. And this is a special livery I've been waiting for a long time. American 1427 inbound from Miami. It's the TWA Heritage livery. Has some family ties to TWA back in the day, so I've been waiting for this aircraft for a long time. Check that out.
Approach 5610 Tango, level at 9 south. Phoenix level 985, radar contact 5 miles northwest of Lakefront Airport. Turn right heading 180 and expect, I'm sorry, turn now heading 300, vector for your climb and expect direct LeBron. I'm sorry about that.
All right, we've been waiting for this airplane for a long time. Have some family connection to TWA from the St. Louis side of my family. And this is always the airline that my grandparents flew as a kid. So some hours in TWA back in the day. And those twin stripes, I remember sitting in my backyard looking through a pair of binoculars when a 747 flew over as a kid and instantly recognizing the twin stripes with the red tail. I do wish American painted this airplane white instead of gray. But other than that, gorgeous airplane.
36, 39, turn right direct Pink Floyd, now climb maintain 14,000. Direct Pink Floyd, 14,000, we're here at 36, Wisconsin 3963, descend maintain 8,000. Descend maintain 8,000.
The third special livery of the day.
Maintain 4,000.
And there was at least 2 or 3 more coming. So we'll be up here to catch those for you too. What a day up here at Cleveland Hopkins. Also, a friend, a former student of mine, will be flying out today too, so we'll make sure to catch your flight. I'm flying out on United this afternoon.
District 5103, clear approach, tech to Island 24 right. Right 3639, contact Cleveland Center 120.77, great day. 2077, Richard 3639. 3,000. 7,000, 3,000, FedEx 2731. 2731, heavy flighting 055. 055, FedEx 2731. JetBlue 441.
Hopefully I would have brought that over to this side,
Here,
but
Tango to center maintain 3,000.
check that out. TWA, Trans World Airlines. One of the big 3 from the golden age of aviation, along with Pan Am and Eastern Airlines that we've lost over the years. Check that out.
Here, Tango County Airport 12.
JetBlue 441, they're inbound from Boston Logan, BOS.
Now, FedEx 2731, with 3 miles, short, ILS, 4 right.
Clear, copy.
Clear to land. Clear to land 24 right, FedEx 2731.
We got a heavy jet inbound, FedEx. FedEx 2731 heavy. Heavy Airbus A300 inbound from Indianapolis.
Airwings 252, Cleveland approach, expect 24 right. 24 right,
changed already.
03 descend, maintain 3,000. 3,000. Street 5103, turn left, direct Shirk.
JetBlue Airbus, or JetBlue Embraer E190 pulling into the gate. My other ride is a JetBlue A320. Hey, I got that right. I said Airbus. It's an Embraer, but that's funny. Speaking of JetBlue, their affiliate Breeze will be flying the A220 into Akron, Canton later this summer. So looking forward to catching that. Roll up here. FedEx. Got a loud car nearby. Keep pulling over here to South Cargo. Check this out. Like an E135 maybe? Looks like it went over to customs and is now heading over to Atlantic. Check that out. I didn't see it land. I just saw it moving from one side to the other. Like our American Airlines TWA Retro has pushed back. We're heading out here in the next few minutes. I think we have another special livery inbound. That piece of history right there. How cool. TWA.
Number 873 Alpha Juliet, Cleveland approach, ident, maintain 3,000.
Starting to snow up here a little bit.
November 3 Alpha Juliet, traffic no factor, climb, maintain 2000.
I gotta decide which special livery to film. Hopefully American holds on a minute. United 2005 inbound from Fort Myers. United Star Wars 737. Pick your favorite special livery today. Sinking into the snow a little bit.
2005, turn left November, ground 17.
JetBlue pulling out. Special Liveries at Vegas.
And November.
American 1427 heading back to Miami. TWA.
Temperature is -4, dew point -1, radiant K, altimeter is 300 back.
Back-to-back Special Liveries.
JetBlue 440, new weather. Wind 2012, visibility 5, light snow, ceiling 2,200 broken, and altimeter 300. Thank you, JetBlue 440.
Never get tired of seeing this one.
After 08701, I'm really not busy. I just kind of got a lot of shit that just happened all at once there. You can squawk 4633. Close operator to contact 5 north of county, turn right direct where? Straight C103, Port turn left thing 330. Juliet 2, hold short, Mike 1. Okay. What was that Delta thing there? Different. Substitution, just crossing, or clearing upfield, runway 24 left line of way. 4 left line of way.
Look at this, that private E-135 is taking off. The snow has really started to come down over the last 15 minutes or so. Looking over here towards United, losing visibility quickly as a snow shower moves through the area. Lots of aircraft are starting to de-ice.
494, contact.
Southwest and United Express de-icing over there.
Cleared up Timber 300, 1200, 14 visible, 1 1/4. Light snow, doing 2,300, broken, departing away 24 left, let's go clear, is turn back.
Well, it's coming out, but it is really snowing right now. SkyWest 4724. It's a United Express flight heading to Chicago O'Hare.
You were short of 2 for left tail, maybe 7. Here's about 3 or 4 minutes.
Almost seeing through the snow over there.
Skywest 3.5, Roger, hold short 2 for left, if I was ready. I will bounce right before Skywest 3.5.
Student Cana is on this flight. Head over to Chicago, then off to Germany.
Juliet, turn left heading 330, just going to maintain 3,000.
330,
It disappeared into the snow. I can't see it anymore. Tell it's really snowing. Look at that. Snow on the roof of the Star Wars plane parked over there. Look at that.
Trailer 1069 information pop is current, clearing out Timber 308, wind 200 at 13, visibility 101/4, light snow, ceiling 2,300 broken. We have information pop and a Q&A from 3008, Spirit makes 1069.
At a American A320 pulling up to the ramp over here. I haven't filmed any arrivals or departures over the last 25 minutes or so because you can't really even see the runways right now. Back over there, that's the runways if you see on the very bottom of the screen. We just had a Spirit land, and honestly you couldn't even see it. If you can't see the highlighter yellow Spirit, visibility is really dropping as this line of heavy snow pulls through the area here. Spirit heading over to de-ice. Old livery aircraft. Snow is really restricting visibility. Right here we got United sitting over there waiting to take off. Visibility on the field has now dropped to about a half mile. So we have a few aircraft waiting at the end of the runway while they check. See if you're start doing some work on. Look at all the snow on the top. It's coming down. Over the last hour, it's really started to come down. Visibility is pretty poor right now, which is a shame because this is actually another special livery. This is the United Aviate 737 MAX 8. This flew in, I think, from Fort Lauderdale. I did 1975. We're going to have two United Airlines special liveries back to back. The MAX 8 and the United Star Wars plane. Still working on getting out that financing for the Aviate program. I've satisfied the rest of the requirements, so right now it's a matter of getting the financing. So if there's any dear listener out there with really good credit who wants to co-sign on a large student loan, let me know. I'm kidding, of course. But yeah, it is about $80,000 I got to come up with. So that's been the challenge. So we'll see how things go. But Aviate and Star Wars side by side.
Copy that, sir. Yes, we can. Have it, bring it back.
The engine's on the max. Brought my laptop up here to work from home today. We're taking my wife to work, waiting to get our other car back. Some work that we had to get done. So we'll have to head back pretty soon and finish up with work. But hopefully the weather clears up a little bit here. The snow buildup over on the Star Wars plane. You see it on the roof, and definitely on the wings too, right above the engine there. Heavy snow. Probably got at least an inch or two over the last hour up here. Alright, first time in a little while I've actually been able to see out to the field, including an American flight that just came in. So look, the snow's starting to lighten up a little bit. So United Aviate MAX 737 MAX 8. And now that it's stopped snowing a little bit, check out how much snow is over there on the Star Wars plane right now. Oh my goodness. No doubt that will have to get de-iced. See the snow on the wings? No doubt. And that leaves here in a little bit. It will need de-iced. It's like it just went to Hoth. Spirit. Catch the flight number. Brickyard 4092. Or American Eagle. I think they're heading to Chicago. Like they're getting some snow out there too. Major winter storm expected at the East Coast tomorrow. So we'll be keeping an eye out for diversions tomorrow. United 405. About from Denver.
4892 Cleveland departure radar contact. Climb and maintain 14,000.
Runway maintain 14,000 per carriage 4892.
35296, contact tower.
Hard to see through the snow over there and the blowing snow from the wind. Another cold one today, about 18 degrees.
Information Romeo.
Wind chill's below zero again this morning, and should be back below zero again tonight.
405, taxi via Golf 4, Golf Alpha, hold short only 6 right, and then frequency. Golf 4, Golf Alpha, hold short 6 right, 2, 350-96, clear tower, only 6 left, clear land, wind 020 at 12. Clear line 6 left, street.
United 291 heading to Newark. EWR.
Jet 136, clear tower, only 6 right, line point. Wind 02011. Pushing 5492, clear to post 6 left. 291, contact twice. Yeah, 291, come on.
All right, we got a special visitor inbound here for runway 6 left. It's United 2715. And they're inbound from Iceland. It's a Airbus A319, another former EasyJet.
5492, 6 left.
District 5492, Cleveland Tower, only 6 left, clear land, wind 020 at 9.
Clear land 6 left, please, 5492.
Another former EasyJet aircraft being ferried in and in the country so United can do. I've heard rumors they're not putting these in the service. I heard they're going to use them for parts. I think the original plan was to put them into service.
Wind 050, 12, 1.5 miles, visibility light snow, ceiling 1,000, overcast, temperature -8, dew point -10, altimeter tree 014.
Check that out.
Turn right at Golf 4, then takes me Golf Alpha, hold short only 6 right, remains frequency.
Hey, Golf 4 at Golf Alpha, hold short 6 right, maintenance frequency 92715.
Saw another piece of breaking news with the rollout of the 5G network. The FAA has banned the auto-land systems on aircraft at over 100 airports,
Only 6 right, clear takeoff.
including some of the heavy hitters like New York, LA, Chicago.
Connect Delta Cleveland Tower, only 6 right, clear takeoff.
As the FAA and the telecom companies figure out how to deal with
81, connect Delta,
the potential impact of 5G networks on aircraft systems. Looking over here really quick, we have a line of aircraft waiting to take off on 24 left. Prepping the runways again after the snow we got over the last couple hours. Ambulance heading somewhere, not really sure where they're going. Hopefully everybody's okay. Jumped in my car for a minute just to get out of the cold. Got another couple inches of snow up here last night. I seen working on the parking decks and looking at the runways, the amount of snow we've gotten. So we had such a mild start to the winter.
Air 6 hanging over 6 miles from Euclid, turn left heading
Coming up here in December, be like, oh, it's 60 degrees, winter's not going to be too bad. And then all of a sudden, January hit. It has been nothing nothing but heavy snow, cold, wind. It's kind of a typical January up here in northern Ohio. Here we'll focus on
Did you switch up the ground or are we staying with you?
2715, contact ground.
Ground, thanks. Have a good evening. 2715. 2715 is Alpha, left on Julia, looking for Alpha 15 today.
Oh, they had another customs.
2715, you said Alpha 15? Alpha 14, sir. Letter Alpha 14, continue straight ahead all the way to the end, turn right at, with that Lima 7 there, and then taxi via Juliet. Okay, straight ahead and right on Lima, taxi via Juliet, and 2715.
Star Wars is pushing back. Being a black aircraft, you cannot miss the snow. It's crazy, crazy amount of snow. They're gonna head over to de-ice. May the force be with you.
Cleveland, ground, good afternoon, Challenger 402 Echo Fox at Atlantic with Quebec, ready to taxi.
I believe today is Boba Fett Day.
Foxtrot, Cleveland ground, runway 24 left, taxi via Foxtrot, Lima.
Star Wars fans out there.
But you said you have uniform, that's the current one.
No, sir, we have Quebec. We'll pick up uniform on the way up, so we'll let you know
Yeah, we get tired of seeing that one. They're gonna head over to de-ice and then they'll be departing for Newark over the next few minutes.
Quebec Delta's with you. Number 81, Quebec Delta, closing departure, radar contact, climb maintain 14000, leaving 4000, turn left, direct hail. Hail, leaving 14000.
Heading over to customs.
Climb to 4000, A1 Quebec Delta. Beach Jet 1, Quebec Delta, climb maintain 14, leaving 4, turn left, direct hail.
American has aircraft everywhere. I got all these. Business jet taking off.
5750.
We got airplanes all over the ramp down here. There's snow on the A320. That hasn't been here very long.
Rapidly changing. Monitor contact ground to Tower, this is Citation 94330, approaching hold short 24 left, ready to go.
Looks like the Star Wars United Flight 291 taxiing over to de-ice. Kicking back all the snow.
Copy that, sir. Wings and tail only type 4. 134.3, good.
Up a big cloud of snow behind it.
3687 contact departure on the first line.
Lots of special liveries up here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Really love having you part of the channel here as we try to grow, and got some trips coming up and cool things coming. So definitely hit that button down below. Really appreciate you being here this afternoon.
31, Copy that, sir. We're just going to swing out in front of you and get out of your guys' way. Here, 4292, clear departure, radar contact, climb maintain 14000.
Alright, United 291, our Star Wars special livery. Heading to Newark.
40, 35, request taxi for Gary.
Secure 4835, clear route taxi de-ice via Juliet 2, hold short on Mike 1.
Taxi via Juliet 2, hold short, Mike 1, for Care 4835.
Going out of So, did you guys, explain to me what happened, did you guys cancel or something? No, we had maintenance, had to come back to the gate. Okay, I do have a new one for you. It's I think it's completely different routing. Did they give you a full route clearance before? Yeah, I had a full route that was Cavs, Appleton, Volunteer Atlanta, Honed, Bullseye, Nikki, Fire, County 2 down that way.
All right, and now to do it for today up here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Getting that low camera battery alert now, so that's why I got a little bit shaky under departure. So I do apologize for that. We're gonna head home, get some work done, get some cleaning done, and go from there. Get some dinner. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. Feel free to comment down below as well. Should be back up here again this weekend to catch some more action up here at Cleveland Hopkins International. Hope you all had a great week, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good night, everybody.